Alright, I got a package in the mail, and it's, open it up, see what's inside. It's an audio cable, and it's 3.3 feet long, and this audio cable is by Syncwire, and it has like a clip on here, like a twister that you can use. It has the nylon cord, so it's easy to stop it from being tangled. It has the 24 KT tips, which helps it have a better sound. Now, these is to make, here's my Beats, and they're Bluetooth. These are my Beats, they're Bluetooth, and I need them to be wired because my iPod is not Bluetooth, it's wired. So what you do is you take your Bluetooth and you plug the wire into the plug at the bottom, and you plug it the other side into wherever. This could be a car adapter, this could be a phone, whatever that's not Bluetooth. And then it comes through the headset. And this is the auxiliary cord. Your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want more from me and my things and my stuff and things. If you want to know more about this auxiliary cord, look in my description below. It's a link. It'll take you there for you to find more out about this auxiliary cord. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button, because you want to see more.